Do you want to make money online by watching adverts, playing games, and doing paid surveys? Then this is the video for you. You can start whether you were complete beginner online or you were grandma, anybody can do this. In this website that I'm going to show you, you can earn by doing all of that. You can earn by playing by watching ads, playing games, and so many things. Yes, but if you are new to this channel, I would like to welcome you. My name is Gloria, and on this channel we talk about different ways on how we can earn money online. Let's get into the video. How I'm going to show this website is called Paidwork. Yes, it's called Paidwork. There are so many things you can do on this website. So this is their homepage, and they say make money online on your phone, computer, or tablet. Get paid wherever you are without investment. Yes, you don't have to invest anything to start with this website. You just need your phone, an internet connection, a tablet, a computer, or a phone. That's what they have said, and it's true. I've been trying this website. Yes, and we are going to see that it really works. So this is their homepage, and this is how it looks like. Yes, they show you how the website looks like, and they are showing you the companies that they have worked with so far. Yes, and they have a 4.5 out of 5 based on Trustpilot. Yes, so that one shows you that they are good. Yes, so you can work in your flexible time, the flexibility solution. So this is how it reads, and the jobs that they put there. So you can go ahead and read through it. Yes. So this is how the website looks like. So here is how it works. Yes, how does it really work? Because if you want to make money, you're supposed to know how really it works so that you don't waste your time. Yes, time is money. So this is the website, and they'll tell you how it works. They tell you discover how easy it is to use paid work. Getting started to getting paid in just 3 simple steps. Yes, you can get started to be paid in just 3 simple steps. Select a method of earning. Yes, there are so many methods of earning. As you can see here, fill out surveys, watch videos, do online shopping. We are going to go through that. I'm going to show you inside the website. As I told you, I've been working on it. Then start earning. If you have correctly exceeded the steps that are required, you will receive your money right away. Yes, when you start earning and you reach their payment threshold, then they will send you your money. Leave the admin staff to us. We will handle the process of your billings. When ads are seen or clicked, you will earn money automatically. You'll get paid once you've gathered a certain minimum amount of the funds on your account. Yes, you can get paid through playing games, filling surveys, watching videos, online shopping, micro tasks, and many other things. Yes. So start making money, register now. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to sign up on paid work. Yes, I'll leave a link in the description below. Yes, and you also get a bonus if you use my referral link. So I'll leave a link. So if you want to register, you go here, and this is the step on how you can register. Yes, this is how you can register. You start earning, you put in your email and your password, then you start earning already. Yes, you just need an email and a password. But as for me, as I told you, I already have an account. So I'll go ahead and sign in into my account and show you that it really works. Yes, it really works. And if you want to join, you can use the link in the description below. You can use the link. So as you see, I'm signing in. I used Google. I'm going to put in my email so it will sign in. But if, as I've shown you, if you want to sign up, the process is easy. Yes, now it's signing me in, so I'll go into the dashboard of paid work, and I will show you how really it looks inside, how you can complete those tasks because they are easy. You can complete by watching ads, so many things, filling out surveys. So I'll press continue to get inside the website. Yes. So this is the website inside. This is how it looks like, and this is their dashboard. Yes, this is the dashboard and how it looks like. Yes, so if you want to earn, as you can see, I'm already earning. So when you reach the dashboard, they will be showing you how much you've earned and how much you've earned it through that week or through that day. So here we are. You can play games and you can watch videos and earn. So if you want to play games, you click there and you play games. But the games are here, but playing games, you're supposed to play them on your phone, not in the laptop. So these are the companies they are working with that you can press on and start playing any kind of game that you see that really works with you. As you see, to view the task here, make sure you have downloaded the Paidwork app directly from Google and Apple Store. So to play those games, you're supposed to download that app, yes, in your phone or your iPad. So you can't play the games on the computer. You can also watch videos, as I've shown you, the man I've been watching videos and playing games sometimes. Another thing you can do online shopping. Yes. When you are doing online shopping, like maybe on Amazon, you can get cashbacks. So if you install like their plugin, the extension on your website, then they can pay you for those cashbacks. That's also another way you can earn from this website. Yes, then another way you can earn from this website is filling out surveys. Yes, you can fill out surveys and get paid. Yes, every survey you fill out, they will pay you a certain amount. So it depends on the survey. So these are the surveys they have here that you can fill out. So it depends on you which task do you want to do so that they can pay you. It depends on you. So another way you can earn from this website is by doing micro tasks. Yes, there are micro tasks that you can do and you get paid. As you see, it's written there that you can do micro tasks and get paid. You can sometimes write articles, and also if you want to earn through cryptocurrency, yes, you can start mining. As you see, they're telling you download the app here and you install it, then you can start mining on your phone. Yes, you can start mining crypto on your phone, and you can also do tasks. Sometimes they will ask you to do a micro task, maybe record a video about something, or you can write an article or do editing. It depends. It depends on which task you choose. And the good thing about this website, like, they will give you courses. They will give you course they will give you a course for you to start, so that when you are doing a task, it's easy for you. As you can see, if you want to do a task, you will have to take a certain course, like to allow you get more knowledge. So these are the courses they have. They will teach you about copywriting, writing articles, SEO. So it depends. You see, oh, these are courses that you can take. And when you take these courses, it helps you to get knowledge, and another thing, to get paid for doing other tasks that are in the micro tasks, because there are some tasks that you can't open without completing a course. So when you complete a course, you are allowed to open a certain task. Yes, you are allowed to open a certain task. So I will show you, these are the tasks that are there available. But if you haven't completed a course, so you can't do those tasks. Yes, you can't do those tasks. Like you can see here, there are two jobs here, results, like test the cashback. Like as I told you, this one is testing a website. This one, check out the developer library. Yes, this one, if you want to do that task, then you have to click there, go to the task and do it. Yes, you go to the task and do it. The tasks are not that difficult. Yes, the tasks are not that difficult. Writing articles, so many things. So it depends on which one you want. Then these ones that you see, they are not available because you are supposed to take a course. They are the ones they will give you without taking a course. And there are others that you can't do without doing a course, like this one, writing an article. You are supposed to take a course first so that you can do the task. So that is free cash work for you. As you say, I already completed one task. Yes, it was about recording a video, and you see, congratulations, you completed your task. And when I completed it, I got the money into the dashboard. So it depends on you which one you want to do. So this is paid work for you. If you want to join, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. And if you've tried it out there, please don't forget to put your comment in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to give this video a thumbs up. Yes, thank you. See you next time.